Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In the previous video, we have seen the news article about the initiative taken by government for the MSME sector in the pandemic situation. In this video, we are going to learn about the MSME sector and its potential in the economy in detail. MSME sector is considered as a backbone of Indian economy. It contributes 45% to the manufacturing output, around 50% of Indian export, and around 30% of GDP. You can use this data in writing your mains answer. In case of employment generation, it is the second largest employer after agriculture. Nearly 14% are women-led enterprises and close to 60% are based in rural areas. These are the significance of MSME sector. Employment generation, we have learned that it is the second largest employer after the agriculture. It is considered as a first responder to the social needs. MSME sector plays a major role in contribution to the GDP. Inclusive growth, it provides employment opportunities in rural areas, especially to the people belonging to the weaker section of the society. So it promotes inclusive growth. And then it promotes innovation and entrepreneurship. Various schemes and initiative is being taken by the government to promote the MSME sector in various spheres. Let's see in detail about various schemes and the initiatives. First thing is about access to capital. Capital investment is a major challenge faced by most micro and small enterprises. So in this sphere, government has initiated major steps to ease the capital flow into the sector. Here I have mentioned the 4 important steps taken by the government. First is 59 minutes loan portal. It provides loan up to Rs 1 crore from public sector banks through an online lending marketplace. It also reduces the turnaround time from 20 to 25 days to 59 minutes. Next initiative is 2% interest subvention for GST registered MSMEs. That is, bank will lend loans at subsidized rate which will be less than the normal rate by 2%. Next is access to credit based on trade receivables through Trade Receivable e-discounting system. We will see in detail about this as it is important for prelims exam too. It is an electronic platform that allows auctioning of the trade receivables or invoices. That is, MSMEs will upload their supply bills on the web portal and it will get credits against the bill from the banks. This electronic platform is established by Reserve Bank of India under Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. What is the importance of this electronic platform? As most MSMEs face the issue of delayed payment from big corporations, so in the meantime, it will get the loan against this bill to fulfill their capital requirements. The final scheme in the sphere of access to capital is Credit Guarantee Scheme. Through these schemes, MSMEs will be provided collateral-free loans. It is run by both Government of India and the Small Industries Development Bank of India. To implement this scheme, government have established Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for micro and small enterprises. Credit guarantee to the banks is provided by this trust. Next is MSME Samadhan Portal. As we discussed, MSME continue to face issues with respect to delayed payment from the big corporations. Therefore, MSMEs can directly register their cases related to delayed payments by various ministries and the departments through this portal. Next is about initiative for MSMEs with regard to access to market. Government have introduced the public procurement policy for the MSME sector. In that, government made it compulsory for central public sector enterprises to procure 25% from the MSMEs. Out of this 25%, 3% of procurement from the micro and small enterprises owned by women. There is a sub-target of 4% out of the annual procurement to be procured from the MSMEs owned by SC and ST entrepreneurs. Government is also mandated that all the public sector undertakings of the Union government must be part of Government e-Marketplace. Now let's see about Government e-Marketplace. It is an online market platform to facilitate procurement of goods and services by the government ministries, department and public sector enterprises. So it is considered as a national procurement portal of India. It is also a cashless and the paperless portal functioning under Directorate General of Supplies and Disposal, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. MSME Sambandh Portal. It is to monitor the implementation of the public procurement from MSMEs by central public sector enterprises. With regard to the ease of doing business for MSME sector, the government introduced that the written under 8 labor laws and 10 union regulation must now be filled only once in a year. And also, the environment clearance under air pollution and water pollution have been merged into one, and the written can be accepted through self-certification. I have covered all the important schemes with respect to the MSME sector. MSME Day. It is celebrated on June 27th. It is introduced by United Nations to recognize the importance of MSMEs in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and also in promoting innovation, creativity and sustainable work for all. MSMEs are an important element in the implementation of the Goal 8 and Goal 9. SDG Goal 8 is about decent work and economic growth, and SDG 9 is about industry, innovation and infrastructure. If we see in specific, SDG Target 8.3 and 9.3 call for enhancing the access of small and medium enterprises to the financial services. It is a mains question with regard to the MSME sector. What is the potential of India's MSME sector? Discuss the challenges and concerns associated with the growth of MSME sector in India. Write your answers and share with us. That's all for the day. If you like our channel, subscribe it and share it. See you tomorrow. Thank you.